what we are trying to bring for sure is a sort of technicity, right? Because when you think about it, my background at least is investment funds, private equity, venture capital, structuring of funds. And as you can see, it's very clear that in Africa, very few firms do that, structuring of funds, right? So most fund managers have to go abroad, most of the time in France, in Mauritius, or in the UK, to get the skills that they need to set up their investment funds. And with us on the ground now, the idea is really to allow African managers or even non-African managers, because we even have fully European clients that have nothing to do with Africa and do not invest in Africa that come to us, because we are actually cheaper than Europe, but we have the same skills in the sense that I worked for 14 years in Europe before moving back to Africa, right? So I think that is one thing that is probably setting us apart from other law firms. And then we work across the continent, right? If you think about even the brand that we have, the name of our firm is Epena, which is the name of the city at the very center of Africa. So we've been very intentional about it, meaning that, yes, we'll be based in Cameroon, we'll be based in Nigeria or elsewhere, but the reality is that our ambition and what we're doing in practice is really cover the whole continent, right? And this is what investment funds do in any event. So we are really trying to allow actors in Africa to get, the best skills to be able to scale across the continent or even beyond. Yeah, that's one thing. And beyond, because obviously, personally, I'm licensed to practice in the UK, the US, France, and Cameroon, which allows me to understand a lot of the issues that other investors in Africa may face, based on their own regulatory constraints, right? So that has been a really important feature of our offering.